you having a great day. In this video, I'm going to review a website named Volutic.com, and this is another website. I watched a video on this website. This one that you can make about $2 for every 10 emails that you open on this website. So my account got banned on this website. I was hoping to show you guys how much I make and everything, but my account got banned just 3-4 days ago, and I couldn't make it. And this guy claims that you can make about $2 for 10 emails, and the Prodigy, I think so, that's the channel name, and 353K subscriber to the channel, and about 1K like on this video. Now I did try this website, and Volutic.com, and yeah, I don't think so. You need 10 emails to make $2. Do you want to guess how many emails it took to make $1.5 that I make? It about took about 1,000 email, and I make $1.5. And they just stop sending me email for no reason at all. And then when I get back to them, my account is banned. So this is the website that will take. I'm gonna show you some of the reviews right over there. And please do remember to like this video, give it a thumbs up, because I always try to find these websites over the internet so you don't have to waste your time. If I find some website that is legitimate and can also make you some good amount of money, I will always like to share it. So these are the reviews, as you can see. The latest reviews is as you can see, 1,000 emails. It's the same, exactly the same thing that I said. And scam account got deleted, and I went to Voltic, I found service not available, and then YouTuber across. So there are YouTubers who are making money like this. They're just $2, and this guy, the Prodigy, this guy has an AI voice. It doesn't even have his real voice on the video. So yeah, don't get into these kind of scams, guys. Please stay safe, and remember to subscribe to my channel, because if there is a website that can actually get you some amount of money, I will always like to share it. And don't get into these kind of scam. There is no easy way to make money online. If you want to make money online, you always need to have a certain amount of skill set. Any skill that you want to learn, just learn it. And if you just comment down below any skill you want to learn, I will find a free way for you to learn that skill. But there is no easy way to make money online. There is no other way to make money online. And please don't waste your time on any how to make money videos. And yeah, that is it for today video, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.